After completing the staging process, we move to Kea Auto Attachment. In this step, based on the treatment plan created by the doctor, the AI automatically generates and places the recommended attachments on the teeth. These attachments are displayed step by step within the viewport. Simply click on an attachment to select it. It will be highlighted in pink. You can easily edit these attachments using the manipulator tool. You can translate the attachment to reposition it anywhere on the tooth surface. The attachment will snap back onto the tooth. You can also right-click on the attachment to adjust its height and width, or delete it entirely. Additionally, the Modify Step option allows you to control when an attachment appears during the treatment timeline. On the left side of the screen, you will find a complete, well-labeled library of attachments. When you select a tooth, the system displays the relevant attachment options based on whether the tooth is in the maxillary or the mandibular arch. You will find the options such as T-shaped attachment, vertical bevels, open bite extrusion attachments, deep bite support attachments, and bite ramp. These include both generic and negative attachments. The generic attachments help achieve specific tooth movement. Hovering over them reveals their function and bevel details. Negative attachments such as torquing bars and intrusion pressure points appear as a depression on the 3D printed model. The software also allows you to define the steps in which the attachments will be active. Let's say we want the attachment to be active from step 3. Simply enter the step value and confirm. The attachment will now appear from step 3 to the final stage in the simulation timeline. The simulation also helps identify potential collisions between attachments and opposing teeth. If a collision is detected, you can adjust the attachment by moving it, resizing it, or changing its shape to avoid interference and ensure smooth treatment progression. Now let's look at placing a bite ramp. First, isolate the upper arch and select the desired tooth, and choose the bite ramp from the attachment library. By default, it is placed on the lingual surface, but you can reposition it as needed. You can also preview how the bite ramp behaves across different stages of the treatment and define the step range during which it will be active. This is important for managing occlusion throughout the treatment. All the attachments placed in the plan will be incorporated into the 3D printed models and will be transferred onto the aligners during thermoforming. Next, let's place a button cutout, select a tooth, choose the button cutout option, and position it appropriately. This will create space in the aligner for elastic placement. The snap attachment tool allows precise placement of the attachment constrained to the tooth surface. You can toggle it off to freely move the attachment while inspecting it in 3D space. Another useful feature is an aligner number tool. This allows you to place the number marker on any tooth surface, buccal or lingual. This marker acts as a placeholder that imprints the respective aligner stage number onto the 3D model. During the thermoforming, this number gets embossed on the aligner, helping with easy identification of each stage from step 0 to step 19. You can edit this number placeholder just like any other attachment using the manipulator tools. In the final exported model, the number appears embossed on the tooth and will be reverse printed on the inner surface of the liners. This is especially useful when laser marking is not available. Click Next when you're done validating all attachments.